now, as far as his External Affairs Minister is concerned. He's highlighted the need to redouble the efforts to achieve a complete disengagement from the remaining areas of eastern Ladakh and to also restore border peace and tranquility in order to remove the obstacles towards when it comes to the return of normalcy in bilateral relations. This is the meeting that happened between External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar and his Chinese counterpart. Let me go across to Shivani now. Shivani, the meeting details, please. Shivani, can you hear me? All right, let's in the meantime highlight as far as this meeting is concerned that happened between External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar meeting his Chinese counterpart Wang Yi, and this is on the sidelines of the SCO, the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, the summit that is taking place in Astana. And the two leaders discussed an early resolution of the remaining issues in the border areas. The border area, Shivani, seems to be the main point of focus and highlight when it comes to the meeting of these two leaders.
Amita, India has been in a standoff with China. It's been 4 years now. 2020, remember, after Galwan clash, the tensions escalated between both the countries, and India has been persuading China to push off, and it has been saying that the Chinese must have to respect the mutual rules on the ground. And today's meeting that has happened with the External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar in Astana and the Minister of Foreign Affairs from China, Wang Yi, it has been a very important meeting. And remember, Amita, this is the first meeting happening after Prime Minister Narendra Modi took over for the third time, and we know that more than 21 rounds of talks have already happened between India and China on the military level and all the diplomatic level too, to resolve the issue. The disengagements have been discussed, and now once again when Dr. S. Jaishankar has met the Chinese counterpart, he has said that China has to obey by the rules of the boundary and mutual respect is to be maintained, and peace and tranquility has been the priority for India, because you know on the borders and along the line of actual control,
India has been a clear message as far as the border areas are concerned. Shivani, thank you very much for joining in. Right after the meeting, the Union Minister said that the two sides have agreed to enhance efforts to diplomatic and military channels to resolve the issues between the two nations.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.